I want you to imagine this. You're about to speak. It may be a class presentation, a meeting, or you are just introducing yourself anywhere that you find yourself. Your voice might sound steady, but your hands probably shaking, or your body is shaking like you just accidentally murdered someone. That's not gonna happen though. I have experienced this, and the worst part is that you think everyone notices it. Do they? If you've ever felt that kind of rush of nerves in your body when you speak, this video is for you. Get some popcorn and stay glued. This is Biba's Avenue, and my name is Biba. I help you level up your communication skills, your branding, and confidence. If you are not a subscriber, I want you to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any posts. And of course, give this video a thumbs up. Today, we are going to break down why it happens and how to regain control, one breath at a time. Now, let's dive right in. You want to know why your body shakes? Let's start with this. Shaking is normal. Your body perceives public speaking as a threat. So what does it do? It kicks in fight or flight mode. Adrenaline surges. Now, if you don't know what adrenaline is, I'm going to tell you what it is. Adrenaline is a hormone your body releases when it senses that you are in a high stress or high stake situation. So it is basically part of your body's fight or flight response. It's an ancient survival mechanism. When you step up to speak, your brain can't tell the difference between a real threat and the pressure of a crowd. So what it does is it floods your system with the adrenaline. Now this surge increases your heart rate, tightens your muscles, and even makes your hands and legs shake. It's why you might feel out of breath or speaking too fast. It is your body trying to protect you from what it thinks is danger. The good news is this energy can actually help you if you know how to manage it. When you feel this way, your heart is beating, you're shaking, you're out of breath, it doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. It is normal. Let's talk about how to calm your body and how to control these nerves and shakiness. Number one, anchor your hands. Hold something like a pen, note cards, anything you want, or you want to rest your hands on something, a podium, whatever works best for you. If that doesn't work for you and you also want to move your hands around while you speak, you can as well do that, because if your hands are shaking and you move it around, nobody's going to notice. That is one of the questions that a student asked me. He said to me, I've realized how confident I've become in this class and how comfortable I am getting at speaking in front of the class. However, I still realize that I shake, or my hands shake while I speak. How do I stop that from happening? And what I told him was that when something is shaking, you see that it's shaking when you pay attention. However, when it moves, you don't see it shaking. So you would rather want to use your hands or move around when it's shaky rather than be at one place. But if keeping it still helps you prevent it from shaking, then that is what you should do. Second, breathe from your diaphragm. Inhale through your nose for about 4 seconds, hold for another 4, and exhale slowly. Repeat it about 3 times or as many as you want before going on stage, and your heart rate is going to thank you for that. This is one of the exercises that is underrated, but trust me, it works so well. I use it all the time. Third, release tension before you speak. Shake it off. Literally shake it off. Stretch your hands, stretch your body, stretch whatever you need to stretch. Roll your shoulders. Do whatever body stretching that you think you need to do. That will help you. Do that to get the adrenaline moving before you speak, so when you get on stage, it doesn't explode there. Lastly, you want to plant your feet. Uncross your legs and stand firmly. Grounding your feet gives you stability and reduces overall tension. Now, let's talk about some long-term strategies. If shaking happens often, try one of these. The first is practice with purpose. The more familiar your content is, the less nervous your body feels. Keep practicing. You can practice in front of friends, you can practice in the mirror, and I've shared so many practicing tips on this channel. You can go and watch that. Again, train in stress. Simulate real situations. Practice with a timer or wear your presentation clothes. What I mean is recreate the pressure so your body learns it is not a threat. And lastly, reframe your mindset. Trust me, this is so important. If you do not reframe your mindset, it is going to be difficult to grow. Your body's reaction is not fear, it is readiness. Instead of telling yourself that you're nervous and you cannot do it, you can tell yourself better things to make you feel ready and better for what you're going to do. This reframe helps calm your mind and your entire body. It takes time, but it's gonna work. The next time you feel your heart beating and your hands tremble, don't panic. You're just human. It is normal. Ground yourself, breathe deeply, and anchor your movements. Because the shaking doesn't mean you're not ready. It means you care and you want to do great. Speak to me in the comment section. What is your biggest public speaking struggle? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it to a friend who may need this, and don't forget to subscribe for more communication, branding, and confidence tips. Until next time, I want you to remember that your voice is your power. See you in the next one. Bye.